Hey guys, today we'll be taking a look at Webador and how you can build your own website simply using Webador. So let's get into it. Now, there are so many complicated website builders out there. You have WordPress and you have web hosting, you have domain names, and all that can be simplified with Webador platform. And you can easily create your own website for the lowest price possible. So to get started, all you have to do is go to webador.com, and then click on Get Started. Once you've done that, you're going to choose what kind of website you are looking to build. So let's say that I want to build a portfolio website for my art. So what I would do is I would just click on Website. If you want to build an e-commerce store, if you want to have the shopping feature on your website, then you're going to go ahead and click on Web Shop. And if you want to open a blog, just click on Blog. So you're going to continue with a simple website. Then you're going to add the title for your website. So let's say it's going to be Art Gallery. So once you entered your title, you're going to click on Continue and enter your email address and create a password. So once you have created an account, you will have multiple different templates to start with. So you can see there are so many different templates that you can pick from, and on your top you can actually go ahead and select the kind of template that you want. So you can filter out template. Let's say I want to view the portfolio one, CV one, so they're going to give me all of these different templates that I can pick from, and your base design can simply just get started. It can be based on a template, and you can just go ahead and customize however you want. So I'm gonna continue with this one, and then you can register your domain name, but we're just going to skip that for now. And then you can go ahead and choose the plan, but we're going to continue with the free version for now. But we can look at the different plans. So we have the business plan, then it's the first 3 months $1, then $20 per month, no startup cost for ambitious professionals, one domain, web shop unlimited, one Excel mailbox, and then we have the pro version that is the bestseller. Then the first 3 months $1, then $10 per month, no startup cost for small business owners, one domain, web shop, 10 products, one mailbox, and then we have the light version. The first 3 months $1, then $6 per month, no startup costs, basic plan with domain name. So one domain, all features from free, and no ad-free website. But we're gonna choose free version for now. So now we're on the Webador website editor, and the first thing that I'm going to do is going to edit this image here. So I'm going to click on edit. Then what I'm going to do is go over here and press on new image. Then you can upload your own images and from your PC, or you can go ahead and search for stock images as well. So I'm just going to search for abstract images, or no, I'm going to search for art. And let's say I want to use this image or this image. Then you just press save, and then it changes that image to that one. You can also add extra images and have a scroll through images. And you can choose if you want to have a dark background or not. I'm gonna make it normal image, and then you can go ahead and choose how you want your title to be displayed. If you want it to be on top, or with a subheading, or with a button. So I just want the center title like this. And then I'm gonna set this as on this page. And that's going to be applied to the rest of my pages, and then I'm gonna press on save. Once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to edit the text. So I'm going to enter the text that I want now. So once I've entered the text, then I can also customize the text. So you can underline it or underline it like this, or you can change the color however you want. You can also change the size and select multiple different options for your font. So you have multiple different options, and that is totally up to you. I'm just gonna save it as it is right now, and then I'm going to go on ahead and scroll down, and then you can add the next item. So I'm gonna scroll down here, and let's say I want to add a divider. So I'm gonna drag this over here from the left side and drop it here. And once I've added the divider, what I'm going to do is going to scroll down, and I'm going to add photo album below that. because this is like a portfolio website. So then you can add a photo album, or you can scroll down on the bottom of your website, so the footer, and you can add your socials. You can add your socials and put in your icons here in the footer and have them connected to your different social media. So once you have a website for your art studio, so you can add the map location here, so if you have a physical location. So this is just my first page. Now after that I can just select the about page. So when I get there, I'm going to remove this picture here, and then I'm going to go to the title here and drag that in, and then I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna name it Our Story. Then I'm gonna select this text and I'm going to customize it, make it a heading, and once I've done this I can drag and drop another text box here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to enter whatever text I want. So you're gonna add whatever text you want in your about section. So then you can create more pages. So let's go to contact. So what you can do is that you're gonna press on pages on your top side here, and then you can see all of these pages, and then you can press on new page, and then you can change whether you want it to come with the banner or without the banner. I'm gonna choose without the banner. So then I can create this as a portfolio page. Then I'm gonna press on save, and then I can go back here, and then I can enter the portfolio page, and then I can have multiple different columns, whatever you want to have on your portfolio. Then you can go into the design section, and then you can customize the look of your website. So you can change this to maybe red, and then you see this changes, and then that will change everything for all of your pages. So then it turns red everywhere. So once you're done with all of this, all your editing and changing it to look how you want it, then you can press on publish, and you can put in your name like this, and then you will get different options here. See that all of these are taken. These will come included with the premium subscriptions if you want the professional domain name. But we're just gonna choose this address for now, the simple one. And now it's published. So now we can go in here and see. So now it's just a basic website, and we can customize it however we want and put in whatever information you want. So once you have done that, your website will be live. Now once you have done that, if you press on the logo up here, you can create multiple websites. If you just press on new website on your one simple webinar account. So you can see right now I only have one. You can manage them from over here. You can view statistics for the website. So you can have the location of the visitors, but then you have to upgrade to Webador Pro, so you can see all the different stats on your website on Webador. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope you leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.